Hello! Today's video is a short tutorial, 3 steps to improve drawing proportions quickly. Step 1. Draw first. So before you prepare your paint, I want you to draw, or draw before going to sleep. This will give your eyes a break. When you look at your drawing again, the flaws will be noticeable. Step 2. Use a grid. This has helped me immensely. I start by drawing 2 lines, creating 4 sections. If you need more structure, add more lines to your grid. Step 3. Focus on the big picture. We often make mistakes with proportions when we fixate on details, rather than considering the placement of all objects and the relationship to one another. So start by creating loose shapes. After the proportions look good, then go back and add the detail. I hope this was helpful for people. Thank you so much for watching.